everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the 10-minute cleaning challenge. I was tagged on Work at Mama's videos. That means I have 10 minutes to clean what I can clean in 10 minutes. I'm going to start the timer downstairs. We're going to go upstairs, and I'd really like it if you'd subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notifications. Let's set the timer. You guys ready? Let's get going.
Laying in your bed, fighting ghosts in my head. Wish that I could let you go. Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When your heart is set to burn, fading away until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Laying in your bed, fighting ghosts in my head. Wish that I could let you go. Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When your heart is set to burn, fading away until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve. Nothing in between. Oh, come back,
got pretty much everything I needed to get done. I straightened up the kitchen, wiped up the bathroom, made my bed, and picked up all my garbage, and I am done. Let's check out the house real quick. So that's it for me this evening, you guys. This was the 10-minute tidy challenge cleanup. If you're new to my channel, I would really like it if you would subscribe and hit the notification button so you know when all my videos are coming up. Until the next time, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Woo! I'm tired.
Play hide and seek till you drop. Love ain't got nothing on me, bad boy. Running, I'll catch you on my